Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your system language on AYANEO S2 Pro. To change your system language, you would need to go to the settings, then go to the system, almost at the very bottom of the settings, go to languages, and now select system languages. Now you can add another one. Let's add some language, let's say Czech. And it's still on English because it is a list of preferred language order, which means that the next elements on the list will be used if the previous ones are unavailable in a certain app. But since English is available as a system language, if I wanted to set Czech as the main language of the system used in most applications, in everywhere that Czech is supported, I would need to drag it up like that, then click on change, and now you can see that it's set as my system language everywhere. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.